It is currently 80 degrees outside, but for some reason I feel like it's 110. Like honestly, it is so hot and like I'm already big as hell. I feel like a sweaty hot mess. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something a little bit different for you guys. If you guys can't already tell, I don't have my sequin backdrop behind me because we're gonna be doing something, like I said, a little bit different. So because I'm so hot and I am super pregnant and it is August and it's still, I mean, pretty much summer outside, I decided that maybe it would be a really good video to show you guys what I like wearing when I'm super pregnant in the summer. I've looked at videos on YouTube, as I'm sure you guys have, about like maternity fashion, but what I have noticed is that a lot of videos are fall and winter and like sometimes spring, but not like dead in the middle of summer, which is when I've been like the most pregnant, which was June, July, and August. A lot of you guys had questions like, what do you wear without being so hot all the time and uncomfortable, sweaty? That's a really good question. It took me a few months to try to figure it out, and I was struggling for a good minute, girl. I wanted to share some of my tips and tricks, what I like wearing during the hot months when you're super preggo. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite maternity-ish outfits that I didn't really have to shop at a maternity store for. I just used stuff that I already had, or like really simple stuff that you can find at like Forever 21 if you are super pregnant during the summer. Also, I have a really big surprise for you guys. I recently just cleaned out my closet. Let me show you. For those of you guys that have been following me for a while, you guys would remember that my stuff used to actually be on this side. Again, don't pay attention to up here. My husband likes having his stuff like that. My stuff is folded for the most part. His stuff just don't. I used to have this whole entire side of this closet, but I actually packed up and got rid of pretty much half of my wardrobe, honestly, and then all down here is empty because I can't fit into most of my stuff at this point, as you can imagine. So I decided to go through and clean a lot of the clothes that I wasn't wearing out and the clothes that I most likely won't wear after I have the baby to kind of start over new. Like I said, I cleaned out legit like over half of my closet. I don't know if you can tell because I still have a lot left, but I figured that because I'm pregnant right now, I would pretty much start over new as far as like fashion after I have my son. It's like starting fresh. I'll go shopping for different pieces and probably more mature pieces than what I was wearing before I got pregnant. Anytime I clean out my closet, I usually take the stuff to Goodwill or Arc or any of those thrift stores. I decided not to do that because I have some friends that came and saved the day over at Poshmark. They're actually the ones sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. Poshmark is amazing if you haven't heard of them. It's basically an app where you can sell your lightly used or never been worn stuff that you don't want anymore. It's kind of like Plato's Closet, if you guys have ever heard of that, but in an app. You can list your stuff on there that you don't want anymore, that's like I said, lightly used. Don't nobody want like that dingy gray old sweaty sweatshirt. I had quite a few pieces that had tags still on them or that I had only worn once because I would get really bold. I would go online shopping. I would be like, yes girl, I'm totally gonna wear that, and then I would get it and get really shy, not have the guts to wear it, and then just store it in the back of my closet. Not to mention, if you guys remember, I did have a pre-planned vacation for my bachelorette party for Vegas, and I had ordered quite a few cute like sequin doing the most outfits, and I never got to wear them because then your girl got pregnant. So this is what the app looks like, and I already have listings on there. You can find me under NikkiGlamour. I will leave the app link to Poshmark down below, as well as my personal closet name, so you guys can check it out if you guys are interested. Not only am I working with Poshmark for this video, they sent me some mystery boxes, and I want to share them with you and see what they sent me because I'm really excited. I don't even know what it is. I plan on giving you guys pretty much all of what they sent me, so I'm really excited. So let's go open those and then we will get into like the maternity outfits, okay? First things first, like I said, I wanted to get like the mystery boxes open because I'm really excited. So like I said, this is from Poshmark. So this is how big the box is. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna pick randomly. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 different boxes in here, but they're all wrapped like Christmas gifts. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna pick at random. Whichever one I pick first, I'm gonna open and keep for me. And then the rest of them, I'm going to list on my Poshmark closet, and I'm just gonna give them away to you guys. So let's see what we got, girl. Look how cute. It's like Christmas in August. So we got this going on. I still don't know what it is. It looks like something I'm gonna love. Oh my god. You guys, it is an all black Adidas hoodie. Look, thank you so much, Poshmark. That is so generous of you guys. Let's see what else they sent. So, like I said, whatever is in here, I'm just gonna list on my Poshmark closet and give away to you guys. So let's see what you got. I tried to keep the box all crude for you. All right, what's in here? I don't know if you guys can see that. That says Gucci. I'm just gonna open it ever so slightly because I wanna know what like exactly it is. God, one of you guys is getting a Gucci something. God, it comes in this cute dust bag. Oh my God. Okay, just breathe. So this is a standard black belt with the gold Gucci logo. This item is listed for $450. I've literally never held anything Gucci in my hands before in my life. I'm not even exaggerating. So I'm trying not to, I'm trying not to freak out right now. I'm gonna put this in here and see what else there is. We're just gonna keep going, okay? Okay, cool. Got lots of little packing paper in here. Okay, set this down. What is this? This is a Chanel wallet. Oh, no big deal. And it came with this little card from Poshmark that says, "Thank you so much for your recent purchase. Our luxury experts have carefully inspected your Chanel wallet for condition, quality, and authenticity. It's all yours, ready to style. We hope you love it." So it is a beautiful brown leather Chanel wallet. The little Chanel logo goes down to open it. And you can put all your coin in here. You guys, look how gorgeous that is. So look at that. So it comes with the little coin purse in here. And then of course a place for your cards and IDs and stuff. And then up here it opens for like the actual wallet for like cash. Never owned anything Chanel. So I've never owned anything Gucci, anything Chanel. Like this is just a, I can't even speak right now. So 2 out of the 3 of these boxes that I've opened so far have been Chanel and Gucci. So there's that. So we have one more box. It is the biggest box out of all of them. All right, I try to open it as cute as I possibly could. I can obviously see that this is a Nike shoe box. What size are these? I don't even know what size these are. Okay, so these are a size 7. I am a size 6. These are Nike Air Maxes. I'm not a sneakerhead. I wore the Nikes and Jordans that I could afford when I was in high school, but I definitely like, I'm not one of those people that know everything about collections. Okay, so those are all of the gifts. So we got Adidas, Chanel, Gucci, and Nike. Thank you so much to Poshmark for being so generous, and like I have no words. Obviously the Nikes are out of the question for me because they're not my size. I'm just gonna stick with this. I'm gonna stick with this because I ain't got nowhere to go with my Gucci belt and a Chanel wallet. Like who do I think I am? You know, I'm just gonna stick with what I'm comfortable with, which is the Adidas hoodie, and you guys can have the rest. Like I said, I will be listing these items that I'm gonna be giving away to you guys on my Poshmark closet. Again, don't forget to download it. If you don't have it, I will leave the link in my description box. I will also leave my closet name. If you guys are on Poshmark, leave your closet name down in my comments below so I can follow you guys. We can like, I don't know, buy stuff from each other. You guys already know I am a bargain shopper. But anyways, without further ado, we're gonna get on to the maternity outfit portion of this video. And I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my favorite things to wear now that I'm super preggo. If you are not aware, I am currently 38 weeks pregnant. Got a little belly going on right here. I feel like from like here up you can't tell, and then I stand up and you know, he's large and in charge. I will start out with this outfit and tell you guys where I got like these different things, and then I will show you guys some of my other favorite outfits to wear during the booty hot summer when you're super pregnant. If you guys would like to see some of my favorite maternity outfits for the summer, please keep on watching. I said, starting out with the outfit that I'm already wearing, this is a dress from Forever 21, nice and loose, and this is in a size small, which is what I usually wear. The vest is from Target, and I also got another dress from Forever 21 in a different color, and that's basically how I'm doing things. Once it works, you know? The flats also, they're from Target. This dress, another Forever 21 classic. The flannel is from Forever 21 as well, and these shoes are from TJ Maxx, and I just feel like the flannel around the waist just really accentuates it. Okay, so here's my biggest tip. I like getting dresses like this for the summer that have an adjustable strap on the back, because you can make it as tight or as loose as you want to. It doesn't matter how big your belly gets. You guys, these dresses have been saving my life in the summer. I can still look cute, go on date nights, not be hot. You know, it has a cute little slit. Now, I cannot wear heels. If you can still wear heels while you're pregnant, good for you. But my son likes to, you know, trip about it. He does not like heels. So I get dresses like this. Both of these are from Forever 21 as well. My last tip for you guys for like just being comfortable is putting on some leggings, putting on a long sleeve shirt because they're long enough to cover your belly, and just rolling up the sleeves. These sandals are from Target. Of course, the shirt's from Pink. Very cute, very simple. All right, you guys, that is it for today's maternity fashion, or what I like to wear now that I'm super pregnant during the summer video. I really wasn't the person to like buy a whole lot of maternity clothing. These leggings, as well as like 2 pairs of shorts, I bought with like the little band and stuff that's actually meant for, you know, being pregnant. But everything else that I've been wearing is just regular stuff from like Forever 21 or Target that I either got a size up or I just got super stretchy material. Dresses have been my best friend. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys have any tips or tricks for, you know, your fellow pregnant ladies in the middle of the summer, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to check out Poshmark. I think it's a really cool app. It's actually a really cool concept to be able to just like sell your gently used stuff. So like I said, I really want to give away the items that Poshmark sent to me to you guys. So I do have them listed on my Poshmark closet. If you guys would like a chance to receive these items, here are the rules, and I will also leave them down in the description box below for you. It's really simple. All you have to do is just download the app, the Poshmark app, and it's completely free. The items that I will be giving away will be listed for $1 million, but of course it's not going to be $1 million. After 2 days, I will be dropping the price to $3, which basically makes them pretty much for free for you guys. Give the items that you like a heart/a like to let me know, and then we will be picking randomly for winners just for the $3 items. While you're there, check out some other people's closets. You can find some amazingly priced stuff, you guys. And don't forget that Poshmark does offer an authentication process, just like they did with the Chanel wallet. When you purchase an item on Poshmark that's over $500, it gets shipped directly to their headquarters for the authentication process. Their team of luxury experts will carefully inspect the item's authenticity by checking logos, tags, materials, hardware, quality, and everything else to make sure you are getting the real deal. Of course, Poshmark offers free shipping on any orders over $500, so check it out, you guys. I'm sure that this is like the perfect place to find luxury items for less. So let me know your thoughts. Give me a comment down below and check out my description to download Poshmark right now. Let's just shop each other's closets, girl. I hope you guys check out my closet. If you have a closet on Poshmark, leave your handle down below so I can check your stuff out. I hope you guys enjoyed my closet. Let me know if you have tried Poshmark before and what you think of it down below. I love you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also, share it with your family and friends who may be preggo in the middle of summer, okay? We need to help each other out because all I see is like people doing videos like this for like fall and winter, and that's so easy to me. You just put on a cute sweater and some leggings, but like us girls that are super pregnant in June and July, What are we supposed to do with that? If you guys aren't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that huge subscribe button. Hit that bell notification because you never know when I'm going to be uploading. Also, don't forget that we do have our family channel. I will leave the link down below for you guys, and I will be featuring more of my boys as well as the new babies. So make sure you're there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Peace out. Couldn't breathe, girl. Couldn't breathe.